Hi, in the previous video, we already learned how to find composite function in example 1. In example 2, the question asks us to find composite function fg and gf of x given the function of f and g respectively. So for a, given function f set x and function g x cubed minus 1. So first find composite function fg. So we can rewrite this one as f. So g, remember, will be an input for function f. So write function g, which is x cubed minus 1. So x cubed minus 1 we will insert into this x. Okay. So it would be set of x cubed minus 1. So this is for composite function fg, right? Next, for composite function gf, also we can rewrite as g, and f will be an input for function g. So insert function f first, which is set x. So now set x we will insert into this x cubed, right? We set x. So set x cubed minus 1. So remember, set x is actually x power of half, right? So x power of half and then cube outside. So the index will be, yes, 3 over 2. So x power of 3 over 2 minus 1. So this is the answer for question A. Next, for B, given function f and g as shown, so as usual you need to find out composite function fg and gf. So first for fg, right? So as I said, you can rewrite as f. So g will be an input for function f. So here g is set x minus 2, right? So x minus 2 here we sub into x. Okay. So 4 times set x minus 2 minus 3. Can we simplify this? I think we can just leave it just like that. Or you can rewrite like this if you want. But either the answer is still the same. Okay. So this is for composite function fg. And then next for gf. So gf is g. Remember, f will be an input. So write function f first, which is 4x minus 3. So we insert 4x minus 3 into this x in function g. So set. So x now we start with 4x minus 3, right? 4x minus 3 and then minus 2. So here we can simplify, right? Minus 3 minus 2 will be minus 5. Okay, so the final answer will be the set of 4x minus 5. So that's it for example 2. In example 3, given function f, set x, function g, x minus 1, and function h, ex. Determine the composite function of fgh and ghf. So this is basically composite of 3 functions. So the process, same as composite 2 function. As I said before, the right one will be an input first. So we substitute first function h. So function h we substitute with ex. So substitute here with ex. And then next, this ex will be an input for function g. So function g here is x minus 1. So f. So insert this ex into x in function g. So now ex would be ex, ex, and then they have minus 1 in function g. Okay, so we can rewrite like this, and then this one will be an input for function f. So function f we have set x. So we substitute x with this one, that is ex minus 1. So set. So now x will be ex minus 1. Right? So this is the composite function of f, g, h. I hope you can get it. So let's try it for composite function g, h. Next, composite function g, h, f. So as I said, we can substitute the right function first, that is f, with its function, that is set x. And before we forget, so just write down here, the function h is ex and function g is x minus 1. So back to this question. So now the function f will be input for the next one, that is function h. So function h here is ex. So here x here will be solved with set x. So g write down outside g, and then we can write down like this, e. So now x will be set x, right? So e set x here will be an input, this one, for function g, that is at x. So now we in function g, x we substitute with e set x here, and then lastly minus 1. So this is how we find the composite function GHF. I hope you can understand. So that's the end of this video. I hope you can understand how to find the composite function, and take note especially how to find out the composite of 3 functions. I wish you luck. Thank you.